Since no one is watching my videos, I will play Tetris. Okay, that's enough. Learning programming is like building muscle. When you lift weights, you create tiny tears in your muscles. Your body repairs them, making them stronger. Programming works the same way. When you struggle with tough problems, it feels like your brain is breaking. But each time you push through, you come back stronger. The mistakes you make, the errors you debug, and the mental roadblocks you overcome, these are the equivalent of lifting heavier weights. If everything feels easy, you are not growing. The best programmers are the ones who have been stuck, frustrated, and confused, but kept going anyway. Spending 10,000 hours in the gym talking about protein shakes won't make you stronger. The same goes for coding. Watching tutorials without actually coding won't make you a programmer. It's easy to fall into the trap of passive learning. You watch hours of content, take notes, and feel productive. But real progress only happens when you apply what you learn. Instead of watching endless videos, challenge yourself to build something. Even if it's small, the act of solving problems on your own will teach you far more than just listening to someone else explain it. There is a common myth that coding should always be exciting and fun. The reality is that it's often frustrating, repetitive, and confusing, just like training in the gym. When you first start working out, even basic exercises feel difficult. You don't see immediate progress and it's easy to get discouraged. But if you keep showing up and training consistently, you build strengths. Programming is the same way. Learning syntax, data structures, and algorithms might not be exciting, but they form the foundation of everything else. Just like building core strengths allows you to try new sports, mastering programming fundamentals lets you pick up new languages and frameworks with ease. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is staying silent when they don't understand something. They worry about looking dumb, so they struggle in isolation. But the fastest way to learn is by asking questions, no matter how simple they seem. Every programmer starts with zero knowledge. The more questions you ask, the faster you bridge the gap. At first, you might ask 100 questions a week. Over time, that number will drop as you start figuring things out on your own. And eventually, you will be the one answering questions for others. No one expects you to know everything. What matters is that you are actively learning and improving.